The Honor Play. Honor's latest offering in India is here, and in today's video, let's unbox it and take a close look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Retech. Card to a monthly giveaway, links in the description too. And while you're down there, hit that bell icon to become part of a notification squad. So here's the box that the Honor Play comes in. Opening it up, we have the Honor Play itself. Let's remove it from its protective cover. It comes with the silicone case on. Removing that and the sticker. It's a metal back. After all the multicolored backs we've been seeing from Honor and Huawei, this feels a tad underwhelming. Inside the box there's another case. Wait, what? Okay, this is probably because it's a review unit. I don't see the retail packaging coming with two cases. Anyway, then there's a Type-C cable and a Huawei quick charge adapter, 9 volts 2 amps, so 18 watts. Let's now get back to the Honor Play and take a close look. While the Honor Play is not as eye-catchy as the Honor 10, it still feels solid in hand. It's got a Honor 8 Pro kind of feel to it. Let me quickly give you a runaround of the placements. We have the power and volume keys to the right, just a secondary noise-cancelling microphone up top, a hybrid tray to the left, and at the bottom we have the Type-C port with a headphone jack and secondary mic and speaker on either side. Now the back's all metal with antenna lines to the top and bottom. We have a fingerprint scanner and above that a dual camera setup with a single LED flash. To the front, just like with the Nova 3i, we have a 6.3-inch IPS LCD panel. The resolution is Full HD Plus, and it's again a 19.5 by 9 panel, so 2340 by 1080 pixels, meaning a pixel density of about 410 pixels per inch. The display is vibrant and bright. The viewing angles are good too. The notch up top houses the 16 megapixel selfie camera, earpiece and sensors. There's a chin at the bottom, the keys are on screen, and there's Honor branding here. Underneath the hood, we still get the good old Kirin 970 chip from Huawei. This phone is supposed to be launching at around the 20K mark. If that happens, it's just nuts, because we just saw the 970 on the P20 Pro, Nova 3 and the Honor 10. All these are priced higher. And as we've seen on these phones already, this is quite the performer. So I expect the Honor Play to do really well with both day-to-day and intense tasks. Now the reason it's called the Honor Play is because it's aimed at gamers. It's got GPU Turbo, which as the name implies should get the GPU performance up and improve the gaming experience while also consuming lesser battery. Talking about that, it's a 3750 mAh battery here, which is quite good, especially when coupled with that 18-watt charger. Rounding off the other specs is 4 or 6 gigs of RAM going along with 64 gigs of onboard storage that can be expanded via that hybrid slot. On the software side of things, the Honor Play is running on Huawei's own eMUI 8.2 built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. We've seen it already on many devices, but to give you a quick refresher, it's got a lot of options: enable or disable the app drawer, duplicate apps and run 2 instances of the same app at once, choose between different ways of navigation, swap those keys. There's support for face unlock, which seems to work well. The fingerprint scanner did not pose any issues either, was quite fast. As always, Huawei's put most work into the camera app. First, let's talk hardware. We've got a dual camera setup to the back. This is a primary 16 megapixel f2.2 coupled with a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor. There's support for 4K video and H.265. We have portrait mode for both the front and back cameras. There's also a portrait lighting option included. Additionally, the AR lens features gives you access to some fun AR shooting options like this. Now, the AI support that we've been seeing with other Honor and Huawei branded products is included here too. AI does crank up the saturation levels, but you can turn it off even after you take the shot, which is a nifty option to have. Now the images that you're seeing here were all shot with the Honor Play. How do you think it fared in the camera department? Let me know in the comments below. Now we don't have the official pricing yet, but we are hearing a lot of rumors saying this will be priced around the 20K mark. If Honor does pull that off, this is probably going to be the best option in the segment. I rarely make remarks like that before testing out a product, but we've just spent so much time with the Kirin 970 that I feel confident enough to say that the Honor Play will be unbeatable if it comes in at around the 20K mark. What do you think? What should be the right price? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, check the description or pinned comment on the 6th for pricing information. So that's it for this quick unboxing and hands-on with the latest Honor phone, the Honor Play. And it's time I bid you adieu. Vote this video down if you hated it, but if you did like it, if you found it interesting, please do give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, subscribe and hit that bell icon to not miss out on any of our daily content. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.